Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice eruption green coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Class 2 trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have mud flaps on the rear. We do have that nice tow hitch, nice Bronco logo on the back. And we have this nice black fender. We have roof racks, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front as well. And moving to the front, we do have license plate bracket and the nice Bronco logo. This vehicle is also coming with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. You can also open up your back glass by just hitting here, and you can lift this up, allowing you to have easy access to your cargo on top, and it's just easy as closing it like that. And lifting this door up, you do get plenty of cargo space as well. With your LED 12-volt little hooks all around the vehicle, you can turn your lights on and off back here. And lifting this up, you do get cargo with your full-size spare tire. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this black cloth and black or gray cloth interior. And of course, you don't need that extra person. You can fold this down for some cup holders and some arm space. You got a 12-volt and a USB down there, plus the Bronco logo right there. And you do get a fair bit of storage in the door. Taking a look on the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well. You have your trunk opener and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer is sitting at 15.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped wheel. We have our toggle for our main menu, phone, media, and voice. You have your volume right there and your cruise control right there. Now looking at your main menu, you do have driving assist, what station you're currently on, phone, information about the vehicle, such as all these. We also have Trip 1, My View, which you can set up as digital speedometer, fuel economy, and calm screen. You have your driver assist, and so on and so forth. You have your gear shift, parking brake, cup holders, fair bit of storage with a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. You have your GOAT modes just right there, which are, oh my god, normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Continue our look here. We do have our 2 heated seats, plus your climate, storage here, engine start and stop, auto stop, auto start, hazards, and this does open up for a fair bit of storage, providing you with another USB and USB-C. Yeah, your volume, tune, so on and so forth, your main screen, and you do get storage in the glove compartment as always. Now looking at your main screen, you have what station you're currently on, your compass, and phone. For audio, we do have Sirius XM capabilities, what phone's connected, any apps you may have downloaded, and settings such as your Bluetooth, phone, Wi-Fi, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE81834, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.